Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a game-changing product to share with you all, the webcam cover shutter magnet slider plastic camera cover. If you're someone who values their privacy and security, then this is the perfect product for you. Let me tell you why you need to get your hands on this webcam cover. Firstly, it's all about protecting your digital life. With cyber threats on the rise, it's crucial to take precautions to prevent hackers from spying on you through your own webcam. This cover provides the peace of mind you need, whether you're an individual, a company, or even a government organization. But that's not all. This webcam cover is designed with ultra-thin, 0.7mm plastic, so it won't hinder your laptop from closing. It's sleek, it's discreet, and it's incredibly easy to use. With just one simple finger movement, you can open or close the cover, and the adhesive can be applied and removed without leaving any trace. It's hassle-free and incredibly convenient. Installation is a breeze as well. Simply tear off the back protection film and place it around the lens. It's as easy as that. And the best part? It's compatible with most mobile phones, tablets, desktops, laptops, PCs, and computers. So, if you're ready to take control of your privacy and protect yourself from potential cyber threats, then I highly recommend getting your hands on the webcam cover shutter magnet slider plastic camera cover. And the best news? You can get it in a pack of 1, 5, 10, or 20, whatever suits your needs. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description to grab your own webcam cover today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more game-changing products like this. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.